Normally, I don't make videos like this. Most of the time, you guys only see this stuff in the weekly recap video, but I found some stuff at Ross that I got to show you about. Also, the mic sounds pretty crispy right now. I did some work on it this past week, so let me know if you appreciate that down in the comments. Just a reminder, we're going to be live today, 4:45 p.m. Central Time, discussing how to source in-store items at places like Ross. So if you guys want to join in, join the stream. I may be live right now while you're watching this, so join up, check out the stream. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, too. Thank you very much. So let's talk about a few items that I've been finding lately at Ross that need to be addressed. You guys need to know about these, okay? The first thing that I want to touch on are these Adidas hats. These Adidas stretch fit hats. You guys can see these are just basic Adidas hats, okay? And if you look on the inside tag right there, you can see $21.99 is what they're going for at Adidas. $10.99 is what we're picking them up for at Ross. To sneeze. Oh my gosh. Okay. So those hats that we're picking up at Ross are great inventory to just have around year round. Things like hats are something that you're not going to get and immediately sell. Stuff like that is important to get so you can keep it around year round, because these hats will fly off the shelves at random times. And these hats, like these Adidas hats that I just showed, I picked up as many of them as I could find at my local Marshalls or Ross, just because if you look at them, you see a basic hat. This is a basic hat that a lot of people could wear, and it's going to be a good seller for me. Just a reminder, if you guys are new to selling on Amazon or eBay, just scan this tag, scan this barcode in store, and you will be able to find the exact match online. I may do an in-store video one day where someone actually follows me around so I can actually tell you about all the in-store stuff. If you guys want that video, comment down below, let me know. Next thing we have to move into is something that you guys have seen a lot of on the channel, but it's important to show you. What we have right here are Stance socks. You guys have seen these socks on the channel a lot, except these are a little bit different. These are MLB socks. You guys can see the little baseball logo in there. They have it on the back tag as well, the little baseball logo. These socks right here, I don't think the camera's going to be able to focus, but $23.99 is what these are going for. And we could pick these up at Ross for $3.99. So I've got two of these. I think those are Mariner socks. And then these Blue Jays socks. These are actually pretty sick, I'm not going to lie. Again, $3.99 what we picked these up for. These were going MSRP at $16.99. These socks are just really good socks to always pick up. I advise scanning every pair of Stance socks you find in store, because you never know, they're probably a good reseller. But these MLB socks, something to be on the lookout for, because they are starting to appear a lot more often inside of stores. I'm saving the best item for last, okay? So you got to wait till the end of the video to see that item, but the last one is great. Now, I talked about this in one of my most recent videos. This Adidas shoe right here, obviously it's a DS shoe, right? This is an Adidas Samba that I picked up at Ross, I think, or Marshalls, one of the two. And what I am trying to do with these shoes, I'm trying to sell them on Amazon as brand new shoes. Because technically in the Amazon description, it doesn't say anything about the shoe being in the box, classified as new. So I would think if an Adidas shoe still has the tag on, then you can sell it on Amazon as new. I have done this twice. It has worked out both times. I'm not saying that it's always going to work out for you. It may not, but I have done this twice with Adidas shoes where I've bought them at Ross or Marshalls for about 35, 40 bucks and been able to sell them on Amazon for around 120. So that's something to keep in mind. Definitely try it if it has the tag on like that. For an Adidas shoe, it's pretty clear that it's DS and they won't have issues with it when they receive it. Something like a Nike shoe may be a little bit more difficult. This is a Nike Metcon. This is one of the lace lock shoes. So I haven't found this one on Amazon yet. So I'm going to keep looking. This is one, though, that is going to be a good eBay mover as well. I think I paid 30, 35 bucks for this as well. Good shoe to move, though, overall. But when it comes to shoes, especially Adidas, if you guys find that tag on there and you can scan it and find it on Amazon, if you are ungated in that brand, list it to sell on Amazon. Sale will probably go through and you'll be able to make a lot more money. The last item that I want to show you guys, this has been a bit of a staple on the channel, You guys have seen this in some of my other videos, but if you can find these Saks underwear at Marshall's, get them. I had a video, I think I was in Dallas, where I picked up like, I don't know, $200 worth of underwear. It was like 8 pairs or something like that. I sold all of them for a little over $625 total. So if you guys find Saks underwear, pick them up. They're one of the easiest sellers on Amazon. So definitely pick up those Saks underwear and sell them as soon as you can. I'm going to wrap up the video here. Keep it under 8 minutes. That way you guys don't get any mid-roll ads. I love you guys like that. Pay me back by subscribing to the channel, or just watching the video, or sharing it with someone you know, or you can hop into the live stream. It's going on today, 4:45 p.m. Central Time. Come check us out. I'm going to be showing you guys some tips, some tricks that you can use when sourcing in store at places like Ross, places like Marshall's. Be sure to come check us out. If you guys need a cook group, Juiced, link down below. Free trial right now. Hey, check it out. I'll see you guys later on the stream. Have a great rest of your fantastic Friday. I'll see you guys later. Soul Stay from Juiced, signing out.